PHI Tornado Warning for Central North County, 8:02:30 p.m. 8 p.m. The government capable of a tornado was located over level 4 15 miles, moving at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, point. Source radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Dover, Wharton, Rockaway, Mount Arlington, Litcong, Victory Gardens, Bud Lake, Saucasana Canville, and White Meadow Lake. This includes Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 27 and 36. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Flood advisory.